Vanakkam, my dear friends. Vanakkam, my dear students. When we see somebody, we greet like this with the folded hands. We say Vanakkam. If he is an elderly person, you say Vanakkam Anna. If she is an elderly lady, you say Vanakkam Akka. It is like Namaskar, Namaste. In English, we say good morning, we say good afternoon, and we also say good evening. In Tamil, it is Vanakkam Anna, Vanakkam Akka. Somebody is knocking your door, somebody is ringing the bell. आपका घर में कोई आए हैं, he is ringing the bell, तो जाके आप देखें, then you say वणक्कम, then you courteously offer him, अंदर आइए, please come inside, உள்ளே வாங்க, உள்ளே means inside, அந்த வாங்க, आइए, please come inside, உள்ளே வாங்க, உள்ளே வாங்க, he has come inside or she has come inside, then you offer him a place to sit. You offer him a place to sit. उनको बोलिए இங்கே உட்காருங்க means यहाँ बैठिए, அங்கே உட்காருங்க, वहाँ